Tata IPL 2025. It was really an absolute cinema for all cricket lovers. If you had watched that match 0 to the end point of that match, so you would know that why I am saying this line in front of you. If I talk about Delhi Capitals, so Delhi Capitals made 188 runs in first inning. In second inning, Rajasthan Royals also made 188 runs and the match got tied. To get the answer of that match, to get the result of that match, Rajasthan Royals and Delhi Capitals had to play a super over. If I talk about Rajasthan Royals, so Rajasthan Royals made 11 runs in first super over and Yashasvi Jaiswal and Riyan Parag got run out in that super over. If I talk about Delhi Capitals, so Tristan Stubbs and KL Rahul came to bat from Delhi side. If I talk about the first ball of that super over, so KL Rahul got 2 runs. In second ball, KL Rahul hit a 4 and in third ball, KL Rahul got a single. And it was very exciting moment of that match. Tristan Stubbs got the strike and even in the first ball of his batting, he hit a 6 and Delhi Capitals won that match in super over. So it was an absolute cinema for all cricket lovers. If I talk about batting side of Delhi Capitals, so KL Rahul made 38 runs in 32 balls. It was really a slow inning. If I talk about another player, Karun Nair, who was the hero of last game from Delhi side, he could not make any runs. He played 3 balls and got run out in that match. If I talk about another player, so Abhishek Paul made 49 runs. The good thing is this, he got one chance. Actually, Jofra Archer bowled a bouncer ball to Abhishek Paul and Abhishek Paul was out on that ball. But the good thing is this, nobody did appeal in that ball. So that's how he got a bonus point in that match. Hasaranga bowled a ball to Abhishek Paul. Abhishek Paul hit a shot but unluckily he got out. If I talk about another player, so Akshar Patel made 34 runs in just 14 balls. It was really an energy booster inning for Delhi Capitals. If I talk about Ashutosh Sharma, so he also played an energy booster inning for Delhi Capitals. Tristan Stubbs was playing aggressively, impressively. He impressed to all of us. If I talk about Rajasthan Royals, so Rajasthan Royals made many more mistakes in that match. Rajasthan Royals dropped many more catches and they gave many more extra runs. If I talk about the last over of first inning, so it was really painful for Rajasthan Royals because Sandeep Sharma bowled 5 white balls in that particular over. So this is why it was really a turning point for Rajasthan Royals. Imagine if Sandeep Sharma bowled very well in that over, so Rajasthan could have won that match effortlessly. Rajasthan Royals lost that match cause of their mistakes. Rajasthan Royals lost their match cause of their over dependency on star players. Rajasthan Royals could not perform like a team. They became over dependent on their some players. This is why they had to lose that match. So it was really an absolute cinema for all cricket lovers and I really enjoyed that match. What about you? Tell me your opinions in comment box. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.